Gardi, we're over here. Oh. Hi, kids. I'm Mary from Character Champion Videos. And I'm Amin. And that's Gardi. Gardi's going to show us today how to grow our gold mindset. Our gold mindset means we keep on getting things done, but we do them responsibly and safely. Let's first try running though. Everybody run in place. Can you run? Everybody stop. Gardi, stop. Sometimes it's hard to stop. Were you able to stop? Yes, I stopped. Sometimes my body just wants to go, go, go. Does yours ever do that? Do you feel like doing that right now? Well, sometimes that's okay, but sometimes we need to stop and watch what we're doing and be responsible and then take an action. Today, we're going to learn how to do that. We're going to learn how to grow our gold mindset. So today, Gardi's going to show us, and we're going to learn how to stop, check, choose, and then do our part. Wow! Stop, check, choose, and then do my part. Okay. So now we're going to play a game. That game is called red light, green light. When we say green light, you run. And when I say red light, you stop. Got it? Okay, let's try it. Green light. Red light, stop. Stop. How'd that go? Let's try it again. Green light, go. Stop, red light. Very good. Gardi has tried so hard. Gardi's really working on it. Yes, Gardi is growing his gold mindset. So that was awesome. We learned how to stop. Now our next step is to learn to check in. So what does that mean? Uh-oh. Gardi, what are you doing? Gardi, is that safe? Oh my goodness then. Gardi, what do you choose to do now? Maybe we better put it back? Okay. So Gardi did the second step of checking in with himself. He had that uh-oh feeling. When we have that uh-oh feeling, we know that it's not safe or it's not a good thing to do. I get that feeling sometimes. Then what do we do when we get that uh-oh feeling? We have to choose, right? We have to choose what's the good thing to do. Yes, we choose what the good thing is to do, and then we do it. Yeah, we do it. So we've learned all those things. We learn how to stop, how to check in with ourselves, because we know that uh-oh feeling. And then we can ask somebody if it's safe. And if it's not, then we have to make a choice and choose to do the right thing. And then do it. We learned all that today. Yay! Thanks, kids. This was a great day. We've grown our gold mindset. Yay!
Stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Gold mindset, safe and smart. CC kid Amin wants to go, go, go. Gardi says, stop first. Go slow, slow, slow. Feet freeze, hands still. Stop stop your body? Yes, you will. Can I stop? Yes, I can. Can I check? Yes, I can. Can I choose? Yes, I can. Can I do my part? Yes, I can. Stop, check, choose. Do your part. Stop, check, choose. Safe and smart. Stop, check, choose. Do your part. Gold mindset. In my heart. Red light, freeze. Green light, go. Red light, freeze. Now move slow. Stomp, stomp. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, stomp. I feel an uh-oh. What should I do? Stop and check. That's gold mindset too. Is it safe? Let me see. Is this good for you and me? Do I feel an uh-oh? Yes, I do. Can I stop and check? Yes, I do. Can I make a good choice? Yes, I do. Can I do my part? Yes, I do. Stop, check, choose. Do your part. Stop, check, choose. Safe and smart. Stop, check, choose. Do your part. Gold mindset. In my heart. Pick it up, put it back. Gold mindset keeps me on track. Hands to self, feet on floor. I can stop and try once more. Can we be safe? Yes, we can. Can we be responsible? Yes, we can. Can we finish our job? Yes, we can. Can we do our part? Yes, we can. Stop, check, choose. Do your part. Stop, check, choose. Safe and smart. Stop, check, choose. Do your part. Gold mindset. In my heart. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stop, clap, stomp, stomp, stomp. CC Kid Amin. Gardi Bear. Gold mindset shows we care. Stop, check, choose. Do your part.